Okay.
Why does that look so sparkly?
I think we're live now.
Okay, I'll check.
Wow. Cool. We're all here. Oh, they're all coming in.
Are we live?
Cool. Hi guys. Sorry about that. We're live.
Perfect. Hi guys. Sorry about that minor technical difficulty. Promise in the future we will be getting a little bit more slick at this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness it worked. Should we wait for a few more people to come on? How many people are?
We're up there though, Emily.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I keep doing that. I keep looking at the
Happy
wrong
Saturday, yeah.
Hope you guys are having a lovely weekend. I'm just waiting for a few people to like filter through because we were obviously started it and then ended it immediately.
The chat's working now.
Oh, that didn't work yesterday. Hope you're having a great
That's
day.
gonna go right over my face. Though.
Greetings from Essex.
Ooh.
Hello.
My friend lives in
I'll put
Essex.
that down there.
Greetings from the Google Apps household. How many people are on now?
Cool.
Should we just wait? Should we go now?
We can.
Wait.
Ooh, chat overlay. Yeah.
Yes.
It didn't work last time.
We had it one time and then we couldn't get it to work, but got it working now.
Okay, can we just test the phone that the phone works?
Yeah, we'll do a few cameras.
I've got my notes here.
Yep. So hopefully we'll be a little bit more organised and right.
So
the camera?
just film that there.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on.
Let's just see if it's
We're just checking if everything works.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
working.
the unicorn's running. I got my portable charger back off Siva.
Yep. Should we
Right,
turn it
that
off?
all works, yeah.
That's useful at school.
That works.
I don't want to can I leave it?
Hello.
Oh, perfect.
That was
There we go.
Cool.
Right.
Should we start?
Galactic unicorn.
Hi guys.
So,
we've got a little bit of an agenda, so we'll tell you what's upcoming.
Yep.
First and foremost, we have got the duck race that will be coming last.
it might not be last, we'll see. It'll be coming later on.
Be coming later on, yeah.
Can you hear Emily all right, or shall I?
Oh yeah, because last time we had to pass the mic around.
Picture.
We're learning, guys. Slowly but surely.
Don't hold it.
And
otherwise.
so all of you guys who are watching the live stream have the opportunity to enter that duck race. We'll let you know when it's time. Let us know in the chat. We'll enter you as a little duck. Can you do a little preview or
Audio
not to
much
show
better.
them?
That's
Good.
good.
Oh, perfect.
I can't get there.
Can you do a little preview
No.
or not? Oh, okay. And
You know
do
what
a-
the duck race is.
yeah,
We'll explain it if
whoever
it-
wins gets to win a free giveaway. So we've got our VS Code coaster, our coasters. Where are they? We've got here. We've got them in lovely packages up there, but these are our versions. We've got 2 coasters at the moment. We've got the VS Code coaster, cheat sheet, and then we've got Raspberry Pi Pico Pinout coaster. Hopefully there'll be more products to come, but this is all we've got so far. Yeah. What else?
What else
have we got? Oh yes, so we've got the old books that Dad has that people seem to be quite interested in, so we thought we'd bring them back. Yeah, we've got a few to go through, so we're going to go through another one today. Which one's that? Unix one?
Probably,
Is
yeah.
it? Something like that? Oh, sorry, I kind of ruined the surprise. What else? Retrogaming. So,
Well, we've got this.
oh yeah, so we're going to look at that.
The zxspectrum. Obviously, you can't screen share with it because it's an old computer. We'll have to plug it into TV.
Yeah.
But we've got a
simulation.
emulator.
Sorry.
So we can have a look at what it's like, do a bit of coding,
Yeah, because it seemed
bit of
to...
gaming.
We did something last week and we were talking about old sort of... What is it? Just old technology pieces.
yeah.
And people seem to be really... It seemed to spark some nostalgia
Everyone
with the ZX
remembered.
Spectrum. People had a lot of stories to tell and it seemed really, exciting. So, yeah, people seem to like it. So we're going to delve a little bit deeper into that. And also, people seem to... so we've got downstairs we've got a games console, haven't
Vintage.
we?
Yeah.
We've got a video
vintage.
overlay to go over that.
Emily, not old technology, vintage technology.
Okay.
That's what
So my
MD
parents,
said.
when we were quite young,
Vintage,
built...
please, I'm not old.
We've got our parents, they built is it a game console? And so it's got loads of these retro games on. I mean, we've not used it for years. It does originally, I think we're getting a video up of it now.
Yeah, I don't actually remember using it ever.
Well, I remember we used to have friends come over for dinner and everything. We used to play
Christmas
the games.
parties.
Yeah, and
Hi James. Sorry,
Hello.
that's a bit delayed.
Yeah, sorry if we're not responding to your comments as quick as well. It's quite a bit of a delay. Anyways,
Wait,
have you got the video up?
see that.
Not yet.
Okay, but anyways, we're thinking of having a section in the video, potentially. One of the sections could be, or segments could be, a retro game where you guys watch us play a retro game. Maybe in the future we can play
I can't get the video up, unfortunately.
Oh, don't worry about it then.
Cool.
We did have a little video of the gaming console to show you guys, but we can't seem to get it working, so next week it'll be a bit of a surprise. See us play a retro game, but I think we've managed to get one just online just for today, is it?
Yeah, it's like an online.
It's on the Spectrum emulator.
Yep. We'll also talk about our prints, projects and prints.
Yep,
Yep.
and what everyone's will.
We've got a few exciting print, and that we're excited to show you guys.
And
Might be
our,
no, joking, not a potential giveaway.
and our
Not yet. Caleb's just admiring it down here.
Yeah.
and our moment of the week.
Oh yeah, then we'll be doing a moment of the week. We'll just be talking about just seeing what you guys are up to, having a little chat with you guys.
Yay.
Before we head off.
Yep. Oh, I've just dislodged that.
But yeah, I think that's everything.
Why do you look so sparkly in the camera?
I hope it's. I've got a jumper on and it seems to be in the.
It's got loads of white little speckles on it.
On the softwares, that's what Ziva keeps going on about. The white dots seem to be jumping about, but I hope that's
Like
not what the
sound.
actual live stream looks like, because that's very jarring. Anywho,
Should we get on?
let's
Yeah.
get on. Okay, first things first.
Should we do book first, because that's probably the
Yeah.
shortest.
Yeah.
It's about there.
I can get it.
I'll get it.
I'll get it.
I'll get it instead.
Okay, look at it. Which one's this? This is the Unix book, I think.
Yeah.
Unix.
We've got quite a few books to go through, so hopefully that'll keep us entertained
Quite
for
a
the next few
pile.
weeks. Yeah, this is the book.
Read. What's in it?
The Unix programming environment. Brian W. Kerningham and Rob Pike. Gosh, I've got a bit of a cough.
I think the book was released in 1984.
Let's have a look. It
Wait, we
says-
need the
Oh gosh, yeah.
I will hold this.
Can we get
Careful, we don't want to expose the floor. Let me see it. See that?
Ziva just
Um.
Yes, we're just getting the phone running.
There we go.
Okay. Did you want to? Who wants to have the book
Flip it on the other side, Ziva.
on sideways?
Just wait. There you go. Let me just transition it. Cool.
Cool.
Got the book.
Perfect. So this is the book. I was wondering that makes things a little bit easier. Oh, sorry.
Remember.
So we've got the Unix and programming environment. I've already read this.
Did we
So-
want to do it on the table?
Nah, it's fine here.
Yep. Can you see
I
everything?
think it was released in 1984.
Yep. 1984.
When?
Yep.
The year of.
I think there's copyright in there, isn't there? Copyright by Bell Telephone Laboratories Incorporated,
That's such a long
1984. But I think
Like the book.
Unix actually was, so that was a few years after the Spectrum, 1982. But Unix came out, I think, 1969, which was the moon landing year.
Moon landing.
So that's when
quite
Unix,
topical.
the development of Unix anyway.
Quite topical, you know. This
Yeah.
week, the moon landing. Anyways.
Yeah, and then landing on the South Pole.
Lovely. Anyways,
stuff that
we've got a little thing.
My
of-
bell.
well.
Do you want to just go through it?
So we can have a little look through it, yeah.
I mean,
It's
I guess
very much like Linux, kind of probably.
very.
How do you say the words?
A lot of similarities.
How do you say the
I guess it's kind of like
Yeah.
based off.
Heavily
Resembles.
inspired.
Heavily inspired by it.
Linux
yeah.
was heavily
So you'll see a lot of
inspired by
things that you're kind of will recognise. I mean, some of the commands, like the who am I think.
Yeah, Who Am I's later on. We had a little look
it's
through
here.
this. Is it?
Who am I's there.
All right.
But
Where?
I don't know if any of you guys saw the first video
Oh,
that
no.
sort of set off our YouTube channel. Is it the hacking video, where I
When
hacked my dad's
you were, like,
computer?
10.
And I think that, I used the shell to hack into my dad's computer. I think I talk about how I talk about a few of the Linux commands that you can do. I mean, this is Unix, obviously, but I mean, it's as Caleb said, it's heavily...
Linux is heavily inspired off Unix.
Yeah, and so a lot of the commands I used in that video...
Without Unix, then things like Linux, Raspberry Pis might not be the same.
It's a bit...
We're on a Mac here. Mac might not be the same. Mac, obviously, it's not Linux, but a few of the commands we can test out, like this, who am I? I'll do that.
Have you got it screen sharing?
Give me a second and I'll have that up.
Because if you just get the terminal up, you can just do it straight into the terminal.
Zoom in.
I like that vid. Right, so here it is. So if I go who am I? Like that command there. Oh wait.
No spaces.
You can't there are spaces.
You need to zoom in. They can't really see.
I forgot to zoom in. Is that? Yeah, is that zooming in?
Who am I is without spaces.
I thought it was with... This is Mac. I thought it was with spaces.
Try it, but I think they might be right. Oh.
But this isn't Linux though, by the way.
Yeah, this is... Sorry, yeah. This is obviously not Unix. Okay, I think you meant Unix.
Yeah.
We're doing this, by the way... Oh, sorry, I don't think I made that clear. We're doing that on the Mac.
Yeah.
But actually...
Mac OS, yeah.
Gives a different result. Do you want to try that? TIL.
Try without as well.
Yeah, try without the spaces as well. Yeah, perfect.
Works as well, yeah.
Yeah, thanks guys. Oh my goodness.
Didn't know that.
See? But yeah, do you wanna do
we
the
can't see that,
TIL as well? Sorry, I can't read. I've not got my glasses.
I don't want to give any things away, but.
Oh right, yeah. Do you wanna just?
No.
Oh no.
Oh, sorry, I'm doing it all wrong. Anyway, I'll clear that off.
Okay. Anyways, sorry, we're going a bit.
Put Amberly's phone back on.
Today was so silly.
Oh.
I was just doing what Emily told me to do, so I was just...
Emily.
Anyway,
I'm so sorry. I thought it was some never mind. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. I need to become more well educated. I'm sorry gues. Anywho, in the future we won't listen to Emily, will we? She's got stupid common sense.
So we've got quite a few familiar things in here, haven't we? I think at the start there was environment variables and chmod.
Okay, like change modes.
I did a video on years ago but never released it because I never finished it.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
I think I remember that one.
Andy Piper. No, it's not your fault. It's my fault. I am incredibly gullible and I do not think things through. Anywho.
I'm just conscious of the time.
Oh, who? That's another command. Sorry. Who?
Last time, I'm just going to hide that. I'm conscious of the time.
Yeah.
20 minutes in.
Oh, gosh. Yeah, sorry. Okay, we should probably move on.
Mm-hmm.
We got a little bit distracted in that sort of segment. Hopefully we can go into a bit more detail next time and I won't make any silly mistakes. But anyways, this book looks like a great read, guys. So, you know.
Yeah. I'm just opening up the next thing we've got. We found... So let's move on to the... Sorry. zxspectrum emulator. The exciting thing. So we'll do a bit of coding with the zxspectrum emulator, some Retrogaming afterwards. So
last time people seemed to be really... So this was... Okay, for reference, this was my dad's first... Oh, sorry. This is my dad's first sort of computer. Did you want to give a little backstory or...?
And we talked about that last time, didn't we? It's... Trying to think.
It's not.
Do you want to give a backstory about my dad's?
It's not actually
about the zxspectrum. It was released obviously 23rd of April 1982.
Not obviously. I didn't know that.
Day before my birthday.
There's a 16K version and a 48K version. And the price, so it was £175.
Which is expensive now.
Yeah.
And in
nowadays, so we put it into the Bank of England inflation calculator. I've got the thing written down here, and it said that it was £593.90 in today's money.
How many?
£593.90 in today's money, and you've got to remember this. We should recreate the hacking video. Sorry, I've not been looking at the comments.
Sorry.
But you can imagine my dad got this for Christmas. It's probably about Ziva's age.
Yeah.
So maybe a bit younger.
I mean, his family aren't. We're not like rich, and his family were not.
They were normal.
They were just like average, you know. And so I know people do get phones for Christmas and birthdays. I mean, we don't get phones.
We don't get.
It's a bit expensive.
My phone up there, I bought myself, and it's made up of loads of unknown parts. I keep getting little messages come up saying unknown part, unknown part.
But anyways, so £500 for a gift, that's quite a lot of money, but I don't think my dad realised
It's nearly £600.
what it was. Yeah.
It was like,
because
Well,
nice.
actually, that's equivalent to an iPhone 13 today.
wow. Yeah, that's so supposedly.
And you've got to think the Pi, for comparison, the Pi Zero nowadays.
So that's a really, really decent gift. However, I mean,
I don't think he knew what a computer was.
If you were a 9-year-old receiving, if you just opened this, I mean.
Chris, imagine.
What
if you're
is
like
it?
looking, I don't know what
Well,
you
it's
want.
like-
I don't know what was cool back in that time.
You're wanting a toy or.
I don't know what sort of things you're
I
wanting.
mean, it wasn't that long ago.
You guys, I don't want to be
Anyway,
rude,
he's wanting
but about
something
anyone's
cool or
age.
something, and he gets that.
Yeah.
It's like giving me, oh Caleb, I've bought you Excel to have some fun with making spreadsheets.
I
Like
guess, but like just saying that you've paid £500 for
Yeah.
Excel.
Okay.
Anywho,
So you got to imagine.
and his original version. This is what we said last week, but he said that he got really mad when he did like program it.
It's
This
already-
isn't the
it's a
future
bit-
when he actually plugged it in and saw what it did. He used to bash it so hard because he used to get really angry
It was
with
a
it.
bit like this
And
because
it
it's
did
coming
just
off a bit.
come off a bit. And then one of our teachers, when he gave a speech, kindly gifted him a new version because he never. I think his old one got lost or whatever, which was really lovely, really wholesome little story. Anyways, let's carry on.
Yeah. So.
Oh, okay. Well, he then plugged it in just to see if it worked, right?
Yeah.
Um,
Well, actually, he's told us this anyway, so I'm recalling from memory here. He
Yeah.
told us that
This is
he didn't know what it like. His parents to try to get him into it. They plugged it into the TV, and they spent like hours. He got a little booklet with it.
Oh
with
yeah, with like the pre-written
and-
code.
So
I
they
guess you
put
sometimes do get
they
that.
put the code in the computer.
Yeah.
Spent hours and hours typing it in.
Oh yeah, because
And then,
imagine just one character wrong is just gonna stuff up the whole
And
thing.
then
And I bet there was problems in the
Yeah,
like manual
probably.
as well. Anyways,
And then it painted a Union Jack, and he was like,
on like the TV screen, I think.
yeah, and he was like, wow.
Crazy.
I wasn't there, but he says he was like, wow, Union Jack.
There should be like a new
Cool.
segment. It should be story time with like Papa Gurgle,
What?
like with Father Gurgle.
Oh yeah, without that.
without
this channel might not be here.
Yeah, because he would have never.
Gurgle Apps is.
He would have never
from-
gone to university.
Gurgle Apps is the name of the business our parents set up as we were like born, creating apps about
And so he's always.
babies, numbers.
Babies.
Hence the Gurgle.
Yeah, there's like.
Oh yeah, there's one of me. I'm very
Yeah.
smart.
Gurgle numbers. You can still get a spelling app.
A little bit of self promotion there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Spelling test flashcard.
I actually use that.
Lovely.
Music
But-
practice toolkit. Don't know if that's still in.
Yeah,
Oh no,
it
it's not.
is.
It's not.
Lovely. Anyways, back to business. What were we on about? Oh yeah,
This. Already
What?
half.
we should probably get up on the.
Anyway.
This.
Just doing this
He said
simulation.
that
Get something
He
more
went to
interesting.
his friend's house.
So this is after code. This is after ages. He figured out his friend.
His friend
Oh,
had the
yeah.
same one. I think he said that his dad said it's the future, like computers are the future or whatever. And of course now my dad is. I mean, we're doing this technology
That's
stuff.
right, yeah.
Our dad is always like in.
Well, I
is in
think
tech.
I think we
so-
should just get coding with this.
Yeah, let's show you guys a few things.
Obviously,
That's the.
you guys told us last time, and Dad also told us. You press P and P. Each letter. Can we get your phone up again?
Yeah.
Sorry about this, guys, but as you
Yeah,
probably
we've gone a
already
bit rambly, so we need to get things short and snappy again.
know. Right.
Do you know? Oh, do you need to do it?
I'll hold it.
We need to be over the top.
Oh, okay.
They can see
Perfect.
everything right now, by the way. So.
Yeah, be careful what you show.
So if we zoom in here, let's just choose this key for example. Move the microphone. We've got L, that's one function. We've got this red, then we've got that red. We've got the green, and we've got this. So each key has about like 5 different functions for just one key,
It's kinda
which
cool.
is crazy.
Confusing.
Yeah, so he was just telling me a few, I've got notes written down, but we can get rid of this now.
Should we just
Let's just hide it.
Cool.
Okay, cool. He showed me, he was teaching me earlier, and I was looking up what the keys do. So now I'm able to do a bit of programming. So if I just, where's my mouse? If I just transition over here, we've got our zxspectrum emulator up. I do want to give credits to the person who wrote it. I've written him down here in
Jan.
bold somewhere.
I think he's called
I think I
Jan.
remember doing something like this at school.
Right, I've written his name because I can't see it because it's so small on a piece of paper.
This is the first time that I'm seeing this at the moment, by the way. So it's
Anyway,
kind of like a little
I
lesson
forgot
for
what
me.
it is. It says at the bottom.
Jan Bobry.
Jan
I
Boboritsky.
mean, we've got
Anyway.
we've got the copyright there.
It's at the It's at the bottom down here. That's not the copyright. That's the computer.
Oh, oops. Oh,
It's
see,
made.
as
It's
you
made
can
by
tell-
Sinclair in 1982.
Oh yeah. Oh, because that's the moon landing. Oh, I'm so sorry. I need
Is
to
it? That's
switch-
not the
that
moon.
not
That's
the-
not the moon landing.
That's late.
69's the moon
Yeah,
landing.
nine-
Oh, stop
Anyway,
it.
let's get.
friends-
Stop it.
Let's do some
I'm
coding.
supposed to be the old one. I'm supposed to be the smart one.
Why is it not
Well, you know.
Guys,
Deal with it. I'm joking.
Why is it not
Stop
Anyway,
trying
it's
to
meant
get
to be
smart.
full screen. I don't know why it's not full
Listen to
screen.
the guy in the assembly.
Anyway,
If you were smart, you
Okay.
were never smart. You will never be smart.
so I've just pressed enter, by the way.
yeah.
I've got my actual keyboard up here now. So let's do a bit of coding. I've got my commands here. Let's just print something, shall we? So P for print. I've just pressed the letter P and whole print's come up. Is everyone still here, by the way? Just wanna. Not seeing any comments come through in a little bit.
Maybe they're just paying attention to you.
Hopefully.
Oh yeah, I hope things are like all right. Anyways,
Oh,
should carry
we
on?
didn't mention our network is really dodgy. We've got another router right now.
Oh yeah.
Have we?
Anyway, yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Anyways,
let's
let's
go
go
with
with
a big-
We're wasting
So
time.
P print. Then what did I say?
Control.
Control P. Nope. Yeah, Control P. Because I'm on a Mac. Although it's not working. Let's look in here.
Albert said yes, guys.
Quotation marks.
Stradbergham said yes.
I think that's
Thank
fine.
you.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
I think my. Oh, I think I'm running out of batteries on my. Sorry, guys. I think I'm running out of batteries on my
Keyboard.
So give me a second, just to.
Shall I get
That's
some
so
batteries for you?
scandalous.
No, it's fine.
Okay, why is everything usually? Oh, there's always something. Gosh darn it.
Okay.
Is it fine?
I hope so.
Okay.
Control P. I'm just gonna restart this.
This is giving sort of an emulation of.
Does anyone know why
what it
router
would-
7B switches light off and on?
Of what it would be,
Mm.
of what it would be like if
I'm just resetting it. P for print. Control. There we go. Control P for those quotation marks.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Trays
they brought
have arrived.
Thanks.
Thank you. Guys, look, we got batteries.
I don't want to change the batteries right now
Thank
because the
you.
keyboard might disconnect, so I'm gonna keep it.
Well, okay, right. This is emergency batteries. Oh,
Right,
guys, the
anyway.
battery fairy.
We'll print.
They're like-
We'll print "Hello World."
They're the
I've got to.
red ones.
I've got to type slowly on this, otherwise it
The
doesn't
ones.
catch.
Duracell.
Got to start type really slowly. Control P. Hello World. Remember the teapot from last time? Is like
Oh yeah,
a Hello World of
The-
3D modeling,
I forgot.
graphics and stuff.
Oh, wait, phone.
Press enter. Hello World. So that's quite nice. We can also do.
Receive.
We can also do line numbers. So I'm gonna go line 10.
Yeah.
What's line?
Space line numbers like in the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
So I've gone to line 10 now,
Okay.
and I'm
Oh,
going to type. Sorry, I'm not looking up at the camera. I'm looking at my keyboard.
This is,
I'm gonna
this
type-
is the first time that me and Ziva are seeing this, so we're kind of learning on the job. Caleb's teaching us. So I'm finding out what he's been doing today with
Oh.
my dad.
Yep.
Little Saturday activities.
So I'm gonna go LA. I think. Oh wait, is it? Give me a second. Give me a second, guys.
See, this
It's
is,
not.
I bet
I
this
don't
is
think.
how frustrating it was. Imagine not being able to just. Imagine if you couldn't just search this up on the internet to find out
Can
what you've
we-
done wrong. Sorry. Imagine, because you know how if like whenever I'm coding, which is not as often as I should be. But I just have to search things up
Yeah,
constantly.
you just got the shell and then get the Google.
The little Google.
The
What's
little
it?
Google.
What's the W3 schools?
Sorry.
That
Can
was
I
his-
can I get those batteries,
yeah,
please? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna give us a second. Just gonna put them in. Just talk for a little bit, I guess.
Okay,
While I try and do these battery stuff.
cool.
Should we?
Oh yeah, what we're talking about? Yeah. So the thanks. Caleb's just trying to change the batteries on the thing right now. Why do we always have technical difficulties? It's so irritating. Okay.
Shall we talk about his friend?
No, we're talking about when you're coding. Because imagine, because what we were saying last time, I think some of the people were saying that
Their code would just disappear.
if you're using the ZXspectrum to code,
Cool.
then like you can't save any of your code. This is what you can't
You had
save
to
any
put
of
it
your
on a
code.
tape.
You've got to put it on a tape, was it?
Yeah,
Or my dad said he had to print it out. I don't remember.
it was on a tape. They
On a
said
tape.
on a
Oh, I
tape.
think it's...
Everyone else was saying on a tape, and then
Right,
And I was like, what?
you can't,
That's
Guys, I think I've got the keyboard working, but
oh, okay, cool. Well, I'll continue the story later, guys.
anyway,
You look
we're gonna
like
do a
the
simple
blobfish.
program. Sorry,
Amy looks like a blobfish when she does that.
I've just done I for input, by the way. I was just pressing random letters till my keyboard reconnected.
So shiny.
I only replaced one battery, by the way. So, anyway, input A. Oh,
Old batteries.
No, that's
so
the
input
one.
A, and then we're gonna go line 20. No, yeah, 20. And then on that one, we're gonna go print A. Okay, and then we're gonna go. I think it's R for run.
Okay.
Press enter. So I'm just gonna press 5, and 5 pops up.
Ooh. Can you write my name?
Oh.
So input, simple program, input A, print A.
Okay.
Oh, I accidentally did something.
Oh. Alright.
So
Anyway.
input A, then print A.
So if I run it again though,
Oh.
if I run it again and I put a string in like hello,
Oh, could you put my name in?
variable not found, because I have to do something. Oh, just got a message. Just checking if our stream's working. Can you?
Okay, yeah.
I don't know your password. Anyway.
Our parents sometimes update us if things have gone wrong. Oh no, I think everything's fine.
Anyway.
I forgot what we did.
So as I was saying, I need to make it a string. So if I go back to list, I need to list it all. So is that K?
Oh, thanks,
Okay.
Andy Piper.
So K is
Must be
listing.
our
So I've listed
Wi-Fi.
my program, working here. Anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah. So now I go 20 again.
Oh.
No, I don't. Do I?
I'm not sure.
Think.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. I've changed my plan.
Okay, cool.
I was gonna change it, but I want to do something else.
Okay, cool.
So I'm gonna go line 30. Then I'm gonna go input. So now line 30. So yeah.
I guess if I was an
Input,
child right now,
and then
I would be a bit like,
I'd
what
be
have my
like-
parents bought me?
I'd
B.
be like, what the hell is this? This
Yeah.
strange.
And then
Future
I'm gonna go control. I don't know if I do space or not. We'll see. We'll see. We'll go control.
Caleb, you're not allowed to use the internet or anything to check because the internet doesn't exist.
Okay. Well, so B is my next. B is my next variable, and I'm gonna go control for $.
Okay.
B control.
Okay.
4.
And then
Ouch.
what was I doing? Yeah. Anyway, and then line 40, print B, control 4. And then we'll give that a run, see if it
What
works.
does it do?
So obviously we're going to put a number in because the first
Can you
print.
put 8 in?
We're going to put 5 in. And then it's asking us for, you can see the quotation marks
Okay.
because now this has worked. The $.
Does it mean string? You can put
Made it a string,
now.
yeah.
Oh, so originally you could only put numbers in.
I'm going
now
to
you can put strings in.
hello world.
Should have put hello Ziva.
See, it
So
works.
Originally, you couldn't put. If you just put A, you can't put
A is a variable and it's a number.
a number, and then
A $ string. I think.
Cool.
I'm not a master of all this ZX Spectrum coding and stuff.
Cool.
Chat. The chat probably
I feel
is.
like I kind of am now after knowing that information. I think I could conquer the
Anyhow.
world.
I don't think
So instead of doing that, I want to.
Send
This
it
is what I
out.
was gonna do.
Focus.
How do I see my K is list? Okay. Now that's up there. I want to clear it. So how do I do clear again? Where's my ZX Spectrum? I need to look.
yours.
He's using the ZX Spectrum as a little reference. You should make it into a little coaster, and then you could have the coaster reference.
X is clear.
Okay, X is clear.
Right, so that clears all that. Now we'll go list again. Oh, wrong one. List. Okay. So I'm going to edit line 20. So I'm going to go to line 20.
Hello from Hong Kong.
Hello.
Hi.
We're just doing some coding right now on
Yep.
ZX Spectrum, and Caleb's teaching us.
So now, editing line 20. I don't know if we need the space or not. Anyway, I'm going to keep the space because it works.
Don't mess with what works, Caleb.
Yes. So tab.
Albert's from
I've
Hong
got
Kong
tab.
too.
Then hold shift down with X. Shows ink.
And what does that do?
So that is. You'll see what it does, but pretty
Okay.
self-explanatory by the name ink.
Okay, I'll see
So
what it does.
ink A.
Yeah.
Let me just check. I've got my notes here. I just want to check that it is. I don't need anything else. Yeah, I think it is. We'll just go with the flow, won't we?
Yeah. See if it works.
Yep. So I'll change that. Anish.
Ah, hi. Okay, carry on.
Hi, Anish.
What was I doing? You've put me off, Anish.
Carry on.
All right, I'm gonna run it.
He forgot your
R for run.
special.
So we'll go 4 this time as our number, and you'll see what happens. All right. Hello. Oh,
You spelled it.
Oh my god.
it's because the L you can't.
I did watch him do
you've
it
got,
twice.
Stupid.
You've got to type it slow. You can see
Okay.
it's green. And the funny thing is, if we go back to K, our code. Let's just clear that, and then go K again. Our code is now green.
Wow. That was a
So
long...
I've changed. Ink is like changing the color.
Oh.
Um.
That was a long process.
So now, also what we
Just
can
to
do.
get the code green.
Let's just pretend you've got a map. This isn't 10, 20, 30, 40. This isn't 4 lines. Let's say you've got hundreds of lines. You've watched these. Oh, Anish wants to pick a number. It's 1 to 5, by the way. So we'll run it again. 1 to 6.
1 to 6. Okay. Pick a number.
Any number.
It might have tuned off.
Wait, what are we...
You've got 5,
But he
4,
might also delay.
3,
Might be delayed.
2,
Go into.
1.
Oh, there's no number.
Let me check the YouTube just to see. Yeah, you've not picked a number. Yeah, you're too late.
You missed
Has
out.
anybody
Missed
got a
out.
number before we?
3.
3.
Yay, thanks.
Okay. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. That's why. 3. I know what 3 is.
6.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
we'll
okay,
do 3 and 6.
Okay.
We'll go Albert because you
Okay, ready?
pink,
Ah. Okay, who wants to be line 6?
and then we'll run it again,
Anish.
and then 6. Anish.
Anish.
Okay.
Nah.
Anish.
Okay.
Yellow. That's a
You're
horrible colour.
yellow.
I don't like that colour.
That's mean.
Fine, are we going with Albert's number?
Anyway,
No.
I'll
Sorry.
put a better colour
Okay,
because
okay.
I'm gonna
Already
put
see.
I'll do cyan, which is 5.
Do between
Okay.
Romans.
Okay, carry on.
Hello.
Right.
Carry on. Is that fine?
Yep. So we're gonna say that this is like loads and loads and loads and loads of lines, hundreds of lines. You don't want to see from the start. You want to see from a certain line.
Yeah.
We go. So let me just clear it off.
Your screen stopped sharing.
The screen stopped sharing.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
How long's that been like that?
Oh no, people haven't been able to see. It's fine. They can see now. So carry on.
Sorry.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay, carry on.
Right. Let me. So, the colour's now blue. If you missed that, cyan.
Mhm. Yeah, no, it's fine.
No, I'm just thinking.
All right.
Oh, they're running up to tell us the screen's not working.
Oh.
Let's say you've got loads and loads. It is on the
Is
screen.
it on the
It is on
screen now?
They're so delayed, but so are we.
Okay.
Let's say there's loads and loads and loads.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Thank
okay.
you.
Caleb. Carry on.
Loads and code, and you want to see from a certain line. I'll clear it off so it doesn't get confusing. We go. Let's just go. Oh wait, actually, we'll do something else instead. I've just realised I forgot something. So let's see the code again.
Conscious of time.
We want to go. We'll create a new line 50,
Yeah.
and I think it's G go to 40. So you can probably guess what that does.
No, I can't guess. What does it do? What does it
Bye.
do? What does
Bye,
it do?
Albert.
What does it do?
Well, you can probably guess.
Goes to 40. I don't know because I've not known.
Right.
Does it go to 40?
3, 2, 1. We'll put a number in. What colour should we have this time? We'll have magenta. No, we'll have dark blue. 1.
Okay.
And we'll go. Hello.
Oh, it does it
Scroll.
for 40. Scroll.
No, that goes to line 40 again and again and again and again and
Oh.
again.
Oh,
And we just-
really?
I'm really not.
I
doing
pressed
very well
I
today.
pressed space by the way to break it. But you
Okay.
could
Break
also
it?
scroll.
So
Yeah,
what,
to stop it.
50 go. What does he? 50 go to?
Well, we'll show the code.
Right.
We'll clear the screen and then
Oh.
we'll show the code.
Okay, right. 50
Yeah.
go to 40.
We
What's
we
that
do it 50, then it goes to line 40.
Then
Yeah.
It does like it.
30.
No, it doesn't.
Oh.
It goes to line 40
What a smart.
and it just repeats that.
Okay, then repeats it. Then what else, Caleb?
That's what it does. It just keeps repeating it.
Oh.
Like a loop. As you saw what
Lovely.
happened, it said hello.
Well, is that everything?
Can I go now?
Is that everything?
I think so. There's probably more that I'm missing, but
I feel like we've gone on about it for quite a while, so
Yeah.
should we move
it's
on?
44 now, so yeah.
Cool. Well, anyways, guys, thanks
What-
for tuning in for this little segment of the video where we
Video
try and
live.
code on the ZX Spectrum. As you can tell, I mean, if I was a 9-year-old child, that's quite a traumatic experience to go through.
I used to go in the tech shop in town and type this sort of thing in the computer's display.
I leave them.
That's what I do in the
leave
app.
messages.
I do that type of stuff in the Apple Store, set
This
alarms.
was in the 80s.
But
Okay.
that sounds more
That's a
better.
little bit more high tech than that. Just setting loads of alarms.
Making it
I
go
used to
forever.
search up-
Okay.
Bet
Well,
that really
anyways.
annoyed the staff.
Anyways, so should we move on?
Yep, we can do retro gaming.
Retro gaming, yeah.
So,
So in the future, we've got a retro gamer machine downstairs.
yep, story time.
Okay.
I'll make it quick because I forgot to say at the start.
Oh, yeah.
Ziva started it. My dad's, he figured out his friend had the same computer,
I gotta use
and he nah, it's all the same thing.
Carry on.
So he went to his friend's house. His friend showed him loads of programs and stuff that he'd done, and he figured out he could. He taught him a bit of
Can't
play.
see on the iPhone. Okay, carry on.
So he taught him like all you need, ifs,
Oh, yeah, just
loops,
the
ifs, and,
basics.
Oh,
and
yeah.
input, prints, and all that.
Yeah.
And they recreated. They
They-
both love books like this.
This is like a, where you read and then you've got to try survive and you've got 2 options. And it's like go to page 177
Absolutely.
to
Got it here. You've got
kill.
options. You've got
You're
options.
literally showing them nothing. There we go.
No, I was showing them this bit.
Alright, sorry. Anyways, so you're reading the story and then you've got the decisions to make, and
And
then
then-
it's like,
This one's like a mission to Mars. And I've actually survived. Caleb's never.
Never made it.
I've
Never made it home.
I have.
But anyways, yeah. So it's
So-
like these decision games, and you get to a next stage, and it's like
Do this.
or do this. That'll
Yeah.
be like the if this.
No, there's one
if they choose
I
this
want
option,
called
go down this
Shadow.
path.
Else.
Else, if they choose this path, well, that's Python.
Yeah.
But like if they choose this, then go down this path. And
So my dad created those games.
Yeah. So I think that's what him and his friend did for quite
Yeah.
a while.
That's not the retro game we're gonna play
no.
because that's a bit boring. I'm
Yeah.
sorry, Dad. That sounds a bit boring.
Yeah.
But the retro game, I've got it written down.
I don't think it's written down anywhere.
Oh, I've got in massive bold. Give credits Jan Borowski
Oh, so for
to the
earlier, so the sim emulator for the ZX Spectrum, that's who the credits for. So thanks for letting us use that.
right. We'll go back here.
So what's the game that we're
The
playing?
game that we're gonna play is. So we're following our dad's.
They're still seeing that.
No, that's what we're on. I've just
Anyways,
changed it.
Caleb, what's the game? A little bit of a climactic.
So
Climax.
Yes.
we're following our dad's whole journey, and he went to his friend's house, and his friend had a game called Penetrator.
Oh, cool.
So we're gonna play Penetrator. You guys probably know what it is. I'm not calling you old, by the way. So we're gonna go to games at the
If you're
bottom,
above the age of 15, then you.
and here it is. You can see I've already been on it. Had a
So
little
true.
play.
I
So we'll load that up.
I have the more advanced
So in the future, hopefully
new
this will be a little bit
copy.
more interesting. We'll be on the proper game console downstairs, and we can have a little play on some of the games, the
What?
retro games
press
that
place.
we've got on. What is the aim of this game, Code? Because I have not played this
You've
game.
got to like shoot. You got to get to.
You should get as far as you
end,
can.
Okay, so
And you got to like shoot loads of little space rockets and stuff, isn't it? Is that the one?
Right. 1 player, 2 player. We'll do 1 player.
One
I've-
player.
I
I've
think his
I got
friend-
taught the things OP right left, space to shoot, QA, up and down.
Okay.
I'm just gonna play it while you talk.
Well, okay, cool. Because
Should we commentate?
Caleb's probably going to be really bad at this game.
He
'cause
is.
He's terrible at this sort
I
of
was
stuff.
Right,
watching
I'm
him.
going.
What do you even do?
Oh, you're gonna do really bad.
Oh,
Sorry.
Not
Right,
so
let's try-
embarrassing.
let's try again, let's
Oh
try
my
again.
God. Because my dad said, another Papa Gurgle, whatever, Father Gurgle story time, but he said that,
And they set off.
whoa, is it the
Going
tape?
well.
Is it the tape that the game's on?
Yeah.
We found out last week, got informed
What?
that the
Sorry.
code,
You keep going down too
the code
early.
gets put onto a tape from the ZX
It's not the
Spectrum or
usual
those
keys
sort
that I
of
play with,
computers.
right?
Because obviously when you turn your computer off, all the code goes, which must be such a pain. And so anyways, apparently after doing all these little programming games that they made,
Space to shoot.
you can put the, wait, have we got the ZX Spectrum? Because I think you can connect, is that how you put the games onto them? You've got like the little adapters. Where's the ZX Spectrum, Caleb?
There.
I've got this. Thank you. I want to kill one.
Caleb's thing. Well, anyways, it's quite similar to if you've got the Raspberry Pi, you've got the GPIO pins, I think. Is that right? Oh, he's playing the game.
Sorry,
you've got
I'm
the
really
GPIO
engaged.
pins so that you can connect
Nah.
things on, you know, you can do your electronics projects
You're
on the
so
Raspberry Pi.
bad.
Have I got the Raspberry Pi, Caleb? 400.
It's on the floor here.
Okay, right. Can I have the
Oh no,
ZX
oh no.
Spectrum? Right, I'm ruining your game.
Oh no.
Anyways,
You
so
still got past.
here, it's quite similar. You've got the little adapter. I don't know if you can see. You've got the adapter thing there. You've got the GPIO pins there, and this is where you put the insert on.
Oh.
I'm not sure. That's not how you'd play the game. Though. I'm not sure. I don't think that's how you'd play the games. But I mean, I guess it's quite similar.
Game over. Let's try again.
But anyways, you can
Top score
connect
is
things to
five.
the ZX Spectrum pre-installed things. I think Dad
You should
said.
have put Google Apps. Not Caleb.
High score, Caleb.
Oh,
Anyway,
lovely.
someone else can play, but I want to keep playing.
Okay.
I
We'll
wanna
give
play.
Emily and Zebra a go after this one.
It's all right. I don't need to go.
I need a flip go.
What was I talking about?
ZX Spectrum.
And the Raspberry Pi.
So you, Dad had like a little
Thing,
stylus
yeah.
thing.
Oh yeah, he had a stylus thing.
Oh,
that
no.
was it.
Oh, I wasn't
forgotten
looking.
What it was.
Okay.
A stylus to sort of, I guess,
Forgot to play it.
I
Okay.
don't really know. I've forgotten.
Like
But-
draw.
Draw? Yeah, I don't know. But you
Maybe.
could plug things in. That's the point. And with the Raspberry Pi 400, you can do that as well. And then
These are like. Have you said that these are like almost the same thing?
yeah, but they're not the same thing because this
They're
is
not, but they
completely
look
different.
the same.
And so he had the tape with the game on, and don't type so loud. He begged his friends that he could borrow it because obviously that's quite.
You guys are probably getting quite
Expensive.
frustrated with me right now. Sorry.
Yeah. Caleb, can we move on?
Can can I play?
Ziva can have a go, I guess.
I guess.
Well, once I get my high score.
Caleb.
No.
You're addicted.
Caleb, you were addicted. Look at the time. Right, we've got to do the duck race as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do the duck
I won't
race.
play. It's fine.
Wait, we've got something else to show before the duck race. So.
Okay, fine.
Oh yeah.
One more game. Because
We'll do this and then Ziva can have a go.
It's fine.
oh my god, you're so bad.
He's terrible.
You're gonna get killed. You're gonna get killed. Caleb, don't mess up. 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 Don't
High
mess up,
score.
don't
You
mess
got a high score.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
there we go.
embarrassing. Right, let's move on.
Right.
So hopefully we can find out a way.
While
for you
Emily
guys to play
speaks,
with
Ziva can have a
us.
play.
And oh, okay.
Wait, what do I do? What keys?
Up, down, right, left, and spaces.
I guess Ziva's having a
Up,
go now.
Down, right.
Guys, I'm not sure we have
Right.
time for this.
Anyway,
It's fine.
OP,
It's fine.
right, left, up, down, QA, spaces,
That's
shoot.
too fast for me to process.
Right. As you can tell, this is an addicting game, so no
Yeah.
wonder my dad really wanted that tape from his friend. Okay,
And then he spent all night playing it.
lovely.
Oh,
Right, can we move on?
Yeah, sure.
Right, so next thing.
ASMR.
We've
So,
got 3D prints that we want to show you guys. Is that?
We've got a
No,
project.
not 3D print.
You saw the word clock.
The
You saw the word clock last
Yeah,
time,
last
guys.
last week we saw a little bit of a glimpse of the word clock.
Massive upgrade, by the way. Can we just get your camera up and running?
Yeah. Hopefully we're trying to sell. Is this themselves as a product?
We're gonna sell this as a set. Yeah,
Get
a
some
product.
bids,
So
guys.
that you can put
Extremely
together.
high.
Right, can I have
Do,
the phone,
do,
please?
do, do, do,
Or you can just log on.
do, do, da, 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 da,
Zebra.
da.
So,
Don't want to get copyrighted.
Oh, it's me
Caleb,
singing.
not enough people watch this for us to get copyrighted. Okay, right.
Let's get your phone up. We've got the word clock. Is everyone still here, by the way? Sorry.
Right. Should we watch?
Are you on?
Yeah.
I'm putting it on the.
Right. Sorry. Okay, so this is the
Word
project.
clock.
Let me
This
just
sounds
highlight it.
exciting. Yes, it is. Very hard work. Yeah,
Okay,
get
so
out
this
all
is
the
something
time.
that we are going to be.
It's not doing as much justice to this camera, by the way.
Yeah, this camera's so bad. Right, so we've 3D printed the casing.
So
Hopefully
Yeah.
this is going to be a set that we can sell for you guys to put together. And it's just a little clock, yeah?
Yep.
5 to 8 is showing that we have gone extremely
gosh.
over time and we need to get on with the duck race.
Yep.
But 5 to 8.
So it's going to be a set that you make. See, we've got these. Sorry, nice little legs.
little legs.
Stand it
All
up.
3D
It wouldn't stand up.
printed. These cases are all 3D printed by our
Yeah.
trusty 3D
So
printer.
Raspberry Pi
very
Pico
trusty.
W inside there. That's.
Yep.
And that, yeah. Then you just plug one of these.
Yes,
So,
it will be on
yeah.
Etsy, and our things right now are being sold on Etsy. So the
Yeah.
coasters, if you would like to get one, that would.
I think I've linked all the stuff to this live stream. Hopefully. But
Yeah.
I think don't think that one's Etsy. I don't think linked to the live stream because YouTube didn't allow it or something.
Oh, okay. So where's?
But the products are linked in the live stream right now.
And it goes Curry.
Anyway, you can't buy this yet. It's not out yet. It's not complete. Well, obviously it's finished. It's working right here.
But we still
but-
need to do a few minor adjustments to make it
Yeah.
sellable.
So it's not out yet. This is a little preview.
Wish we could give this away, but you know.
It's our first ever one. We're not going to sell this.
Name a price though, because
1 million.
There's always a price for something.
Yeah.
So, anyways,
So-
carry on.
Hefty price for this, but
1
if you want the
million
if you're desperate for the first ever one ever created,
Yeah.
this is the only one right now, by the way. So name a price that you'd like to pay for this, and we'll try see if we can match that price. Maybe make a small margin on it. I don't know.
Maybe make a
Ever made a binary clock? Have we?
Mm-mm, don't think.
Definitely made a binary clock before. That's an interesting idea. But this is looks very neat. Thank you.
Thank you.
I've forgotten the IP address of it,
What?
unfortunately. But how can I can't show you it. We've got a web browser that works. It's really pretty.
I'm looking over
A video
there.
is coming out soon, guys. About all this product on our web server. It's got you can change the color of each individual one.
Screwed
Mm-hmm.
in.
Right.
Lovely.
Carry on.
Sorry.
You can change the color of each word.
Carry
You can change the color altogether. Change the color basically.
Customize it.
You've got scroll bars.
You can make
Change
it-
the brightness of it.
Yeah.
You've got Wi-Fi controls. So this acts as at the start. I think it acts as a access point, and then it turns into, it connects to your network after that once you've configured all the Wi-Fi settings. A lot of hard work gone into that. Ages
Yes.
spent on it. We had to
Oh.
had to get Dad involved because
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
Oh, the thingy is the IP address. Sorry. never mind.
Okay.
I forgot the IP address, otherwise I'd be able to show you this. But yeah, it's got drop down menus. Of course, it's using Wi-Fi as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, 'cause it's the
You can
PPW.
set the time. MicroPython. Yep. And then
Hearts, guys.
yeah, MicroPython. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So you can set the time on it, set the date. It obviously doesn't show the date. It keeps track of time quite well. We've had it plugged in for ages. Not this.
It seems quite accurate.
We've had. I think we've got another. Not without the casing or anything, just the raw components plugged in over there.
Yeah.
They've been plugged in for a while.
Pick up.
So it's staying on track of time. Should be released soon. Hello?
Hi, you can show the screen.
Oh, have you got the... Oh, thanks. Thank you, sir. Right, Mum's just giving me the access point, and can I use this phone?
Yeah, if you want to get off, but you have to log off everything. Oh, cool. So wait, what are we showing?
The Google Apps screen to make it
Right,
better.
it'll take too long to
you.
screen share onto there.
Thank you.
So I'm just going to
We'll just do it through the camera.
wait.
That's our squeaky door.
It's taking its time.
Oh, it's 8, guys. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, it's just changed to 8.
Oh, yay!
It rounds up, by the way.
Yeah.
Obviously, because it's a word clock. We can't have every single time.
58 minutes past.
Oh, gosh.
It's not loading. Is this our Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
It might be our Wi-Fi, yeah. We've changed router. Did we mention
Yeah,
we've
we
changed
did.
router?
We have, yeah.
How
So
many people are watching?
I'll just describe it just in case it doesn't work. You've got scrollers, what are they called? Slide bars or whatever. Sliders. Change the brightness. You've got colour pickets. You've got colour palettes. You've got gradients. You can choose, not the gradient of it, but you can choose any colour. You've got palettes, selected colours that we've chosen. You can make it rainbow, so it starts red, goes down to indigo, like that. You've got single colours, all one colour. Brightness, did I mention? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, very cool.
Wi-Fi.
Oh,
You've got a nice
Wi-Fi.
little digital clock. It's not loading on here. Oh, it's because I'm on 4G. Oh, my days, that's why. This phone isn't connected to the internet. Oh, that's so silly. There we go, we're on. There we go, so this is...
Okay, that's more like it.
I'm going to make it a bit bigger, guys. I'm going to squash Emily out because she's the one filming. Give me a second, I'm just
as you
setting
can
up
see,
this.
We've got this is how you can control it, yeah?
Right, so we've got this, yep. We've got a nice little time. So we've got a brightness. Let's change it. See, it changed brightness. I don't know if you saw that. Bring that closer.
Very clear on here.
We've got the time. You can change the time. Let's go 5 past. I'm really shaky, guys, sorry. Update.
Why?
5 past 8.
Oh.
Colour. We've got rainbow, which it's on right now. We've got word colours. Yeah, thank you, Andy.
Thank you.
So they're selected, they're nice. As I was saying here, I don't know if I should be showing that. We've got the access point active, Google Apps. Yeah.
Sorry if my
We've
focus
got
is really bad.
we've got the Wi-Fi here. Also up here we've got these little oops. Our password isn't there, it's fine. Anyway. Hopefully you got oops. Anyway, you see we've got loads of cool stuff here. We've got this.
It's quite self-evident.
Quite happy with that. Anyway.
Primo. Carry on. Oh,
Well, you'll be able to get one soon.
if you want this one, then, you know,
£1 million.
yeah, name the price and we'll get in contact. Okay, right.
Especially if you get £1 million.
So that will be a product released soon that you'll
Profit.
obviously have to make it.
Should I turn the camera?
Oh yeah, let me just get rid of that.
Yeah, it'll be,
Thank you, Andy.
So it'll be a self-assembly
get
thing,
some
so,
help.
Video on that will be coming out shortly.
yeah. So,
It's finished. I just need.
Yeah. So you can make it
Pinout.
yourself. We've got all of this. Yeah. Anyways, sorry.
Yeah. So
Time of the week.
that'll be a product. So what was I saying? Obviously, you'll make it. Oh, I didn't show, but the case is made up of layers. Like, you know those Raspberry Pi cases?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's made up of like that.
That's sick. Yeah, yeah.
Then you've got the legs, which I don't want to take it apart, but
And then.
anyway, you've also got a reset button on the back. You can't see it. Anyway, so you'll make that yourself. We'll have instructions and everything.
hopefully
You should
these
submit a
finish
session
it.
about making it for EMF camp.
So
That's a good back. Hi, Albert.
Hi, Albert.
hello.
Anyway,
Right, should we move on? Should we do
duck race,
What
yeah.
about our highlight of the
I was gonna
week?
say, okay, so it's 8 o'clock, guys. I'm so sorry about it getting so late. We really do lose track of time, and we do kind of ramble a bit. Hopefully,
What about
things
the
will be a
highlight of the
little bit
week?
slicker in the future. But it's time for the duck race because we don't want to lose everyone. So, wait, how many people? Because we need to enter people. Do we keep
Yeah.
people from last time?
No.
You sure?
Right.
Imagine if
Duck
Andy
race.
Piper
Right, we're
wins
doing the
again.
duck race. So, should we start entering the people who have
Right,
already commented?
So we'll put Andy Piper in again because there's another coaster you can win.
Okay, duck race time, guys.
If Andy Piper wins, should we do another race? 'Cause
I would love to do more than one race, but we're gonna go skint.
Yeah, okay, right.
True.
Comment, guys.
Okay.
Comment if you would like to enter the duck race. At the moment, we're just entering people who have commented, but yes. Let us know, and you have the opportunity to win one of our VS Code.
Oh,
Please don't
please, I'm gonna put you in.
Oh,
I'm gonna
that's
put
so
you
nice.
in.
Right, for reference, our past winners have been Andy Piper last week. We had Kevin, and Eagle. Is it Eagle W?
yeah,
Yeah.
From past weeks.
it's controversial about Kevin, you know.
Of course, Stroud Bergkamp. If Andy Piper wins, should we put? Okay, right. If Andy Piper wins, we'll do another race, and and we'll just give Andy Piper the excitement of just being part in the race. Someone else if I win.
Aw.
You sure?
Oh, that's so
See,
sweet.
you were-
Let Albert enter then. You know, you have the
I've
fun.
also
Oh, I've
excitement.
transitioned, guys. I know why it keeps transitioning.
Why?
Because I pressed T by accident. Whenever I press T, look.
Yeah.
Whenever I press T, that happens.
Okay, so let me show you guys what you're gonna win.
Geometry dash.
So
at the moment-
anybody's name with a T will mess up my thing over here.
At the moment, we only have 2 products that we can give away. You guys can choose which one you would want. We've got our coasters, VS Code coaster, or our Raspberry Pi Pico Pinout coaster. And people seem to really like them. We didn't expect people to like them as much as they do.
Is there anyone?
Hopefully in the
Sorry.
future we would like to get more products as we've shown here.
Mhm.
And we'll have more things to give away, but at the moment this is all we have. And we would do more than one duck race, however, you know.
We kind
Is
of.
there anyone who is
Yeah.
watching?
This is all expensive, the
else?
lighting and everything.
Who wants
Um,
to join?
I'll give you 10 seconds and then I'm gonna.
It's
the
delayed.
10, 9, 8,
Should I check the live chat?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I should make a counter for this. 2, 1.
If anybody else wants to join, then let us know.
Deadline.
Okay. If you are super late and you've not entered, then
1 in 5 chance of winning
yeah.
now.
Who have you put in for the race?
I've put Albert, Strawbergkamp, James Carter, Banana Hacks, Andy Piper again.
Okay. Does anyone else want to join?
So, if Albert wins, we can do it again because he wants
Yeah.
to give his coaster away.
Yeah. Cool.
What
Yes.
if Andy wins the second person?
If Andy-
Albert,
It doesn't matter if Andy wins.
I meant Albert.
All right, yeah, no. We're gonna do 2 duck races if Albert wins.
Okay.
Okay. So are we gonna go?
Right, we'll go.
Last time- anyone
Everybody,
else?
is everybody ready?
Everyone
Say yes
ready?
in chat if you're ready. I'm gonna make it a bit longer. Actually, no, I'm not. 1 minute
Okay. 1 minute.
is.
Okay. Cool. Right. Should we go? Ready?
And just wait. I'll press set.
Okay. Are we ready?
Oh, this is way less than last time.
Oh my gosh.
So you've
yes.
got. We had it all crowded last time.
So we've got Albert, Birdcam, James Cotter. Who's that? Banana Hacks.
Banana Hacks. Okay. Oh, it's delayed. That's why.
And
Anyway,
perfect.
let's go.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Go,
go.
go, go. Okay, we've got the hearts with Stroud Birdcam, And we've got Banana Hacks in the top hat coming. Look at him go! Look at him go! And we've got James Costa at the back. He just looks like he's slow and steady, like to win the race. Because that's usually what happens. The one at the back always seems to win.
Banana Hacks is taking the lead.
Look at Banana Hacks go!
Closely followed by
I feel like
Starbird
Banana
Cam.
Hacks should like get the
I
should
feel
win
like- I
because
feel like-
oh
I
and
feel like James Carter's
I feel like-
going to win.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
James Carter's gonna win.
oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, okay. Carry on. James Carter. Oh my gosh, Banana Hacks look like he's about to win. Albert looks like he's about to win. Someone's gonna get a lovely little free
Oh,
thing.
James
I think James
Carter.
Carter's gonna
Look
win.
at Stroud Birdcam go.
I
And
think
look at Andy Piper.
might come
I think
for
Andy
another
Piper
victory.
might come for another victory.
No, I think
Stroud Birdcam looks like
Carter's
he's
gonna win.
Stroud Bird. Oh my god,
think
look at
James-
Albert. Oh my god. Look at him go. Oh my god, he's really taken the win.
Wow.
Look at him go. Ah.
Unfortunately,
We're gonna be
I think
onto
he
it.
won.
Andy
yeah.
Piper, he's taking it easy this week.
So Albert, do you want it or do you want to?
Oh, Albert.
Are we going to do another race?
Should we do another race?
Because
Or Albert, would
Albert
you
said-
like to claim your prize?
Because Albert said he didn't want it, but we'll see.
If Albert would like it, he can have it.
Yeah. We'll just wait for a reply because it's delayed for some reason.
Well done, Albert. And if not, we can just. I don't know.
I'm just waiting for Albert to see if he wants it. If he doesn't want it, then we'll do another race.
No
Are you
thanks.
sure? That, well,
Do you want to do another one?
we'll
It
do
gives
another one.
it gives another chance for someone else to win.
Another
Okay,
race.
another race, another
I'm
race.
keeping you in just for
Right.
suspense.
Guys, if anyone else, ducks. I agree.
I
Ducks are
know.
cool in general.
I was meant to buy a duck for this stream, but
Yeah.
Oh,
Disappointing. Oh, I forgot about the map from last week. Oh, by the way, if anybody else wants to join, let us know. If they want to join now, let us know. But anyways, where was I? Oh yes.
I have a feeling
we'll do it again. Should we just start?
James is gonna
Now?
win.
What if no? Okay, fine. Okay, yeah.
3.
No one else wants to. Okay, right. Should we just do it?
2, 1, and
Go.
we're off.
Okay. What if
Take
what
your
if
pole position.
what if Albert wins again, or what if James? If Andy Piper wins again?
Andy Piper
And
just gets
yeah,
a coaster.
Andy Piper gets the other
Yeah.
coaster.
But he did say that he doesn't want. To, but you know
We'll
what?
see.
He deserves it.
Yeah, he does.
James Carter.
Quarter.
We've got Andy Piper.
I think Birdcam's gonna win, guys.
Stroud
I
Birdcam looks
think,
like.
Yeah.
Or
I feel
James-
like
He's
the
taking
thing
it
that
steady.
happens every time is the one that takes it steady always wins.
James Carter might drop back and then sprint for the end.
Albert-
They're all so close. At the
Looks
minute.
James Carter, the little.
Andy
Oh,
Piper's-
James Carter's
Andy
dropping
Piper's
back.
in the lead.
But he's gonna sprint at the end is my thing.
Banana hacks has seemed to just be, making his way through the
Oh, Birdcam's
competitors.
taking oh wow.
Whoa, look at Birdcam
But
go.
I think
Come on, Banana
James
Hacks.
Carter's
Look,
gonna
Banana Hacks.
sprint.
Oh, Banana Hacks been left behind.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is
wait,
what I thought
Stroud
was gonna
Birdcam.
happen.
Oh,
James,
wait.
Oh, Albert.
What? Oh my god, watch Albert win again. I'm sorry, wait, what? Wait, was that the same? Was that the same race again?
He might put the winded.
Wait, does it just do the same race again?
I'm gonna
Right.
shuffle characters. Okay.
Oh,
wow.
unicorn.
Right,
Let's do
make
it
it
again.
make it shorter. Make the
Three.
race shorter. Make it like 30 seconds instead.
I'll have to go back out there.
Just do it again.
Okay, fine. Just do it again.
Three.
Start.
If Albert wins again, I'll remove winner.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, look at their outfits. You should have done this before because their outfits are so much better now. We've got the cockerel. Well, no, it's not a cockerel. It's a parrot.
No, yeah. That's
A Stroud Birdcam. Andy Piper
James
is the
Andy
little...
Carter's in
Piper-
the lead.
Andy Piper has the
Albert,
best
look,
outfit right
Albert's
now.
got the most
I
awful
think
outfit.
James Carter's got the
Yeah.
best.
Oh, Stroud
think-
Birdcam. Come on, look at
I'm
him in his
rooting for
little
Stroud
policeman
Birdcam
outfit.
This time.
James
Yeah.
Carter's got the best outfit.
Stroud Birdcam.
I still
Banana
think
Hacks. He
Andy
looks like do you know Winnie the Pooh when did you read
I
the Winnie
probably
the Pooh
skipped
book?
you.
Unicorn
Um,
duck.
controlling class. Well, last time everybody
Yeah,
was saying,
Banana Hacks. How have you not won yet?
a few weeks back, everyone was saying Kevin was sinking their ducks. So
Yeah, they were all
Yeah.
saying that Kevin had scammed them and hacked because we did do something where we controlled he could control a message
His
from
phone.
his house over here.
Not again.
Oh, not Albert
I'm
again.
removing him if it happens.
He's gonna
It's the same race.
I think it's the same race over and over again.
Right. Remove winner.
Redo it again. Oh, remove one. Okay.
Okay, right.
Right, race again. Can you make it 30 seconds?
Oh,
One,
there's
two.
only 4.
Ready?
Okay, fine. Just go.
3.
Yeah. Go, go, go. Okay, right. Predict who's going to win, guys. We should do
This
bets.
will be the
I-
last.
I think James Carter's going to win. I just have a good feeling that he's
Banana
going to
Hacks
win.
has got it.
I just feel like James Carter's going to win.
Anyway, James Carter's in the lead. He can't win because he's sprinted off
No,
too fast.
because then he's going to drop back and then sprint for the
He's
end.
set off too fast and he's going to blow.
He's going to pop.
Okay.
Banana Hacks is taking it nice and steady. How much did you get in the finals?
So he's going to drop back.
Do you reckon
and go
Albert?
right
Do you reckon
last
what if
5
Albert
seconds.
is Kevin in disguise and Kevin's like controlling? Because we did this thing where he could he could control a message from our house
Yeah.
from where he is, and we did a.
Actually, next week I'm not going to be here. Oh no.
No, that's so sad. Where are you going?
Oh, Andy
Leave
Piper.
Oh my God, Andy Piper, Banana Hacks, Andy Piper, Banana Hacks. Oh my God,
I
look
think
at
James Carter's going to win.
James
guys.
Carter go.
Guys, I knew this. I
Look
know
at James-
this. I
Ah,
knew.
look at him go.
I knew.
That's who we're moving.
Because my duck controller level
Level
100.
Well done, James Carter.
James Carter's
I
the
knew it
winner.
You are the winner.
I feel like
Of
Albert should
which
get something.
coaster?
Oh yeah, which coaster would you like?
Obviously, you won't be getting the fingerprinted ones.
Yeah, which coaster would you like?
VS Code cheat on the
I'll
right.
be in the US next week. Ooh.
Fancy holiday.
My friends live in the US, not friends.
Woo! James Carter.
James, which one do you want?
Which one? VS Code coaster or the Raspberry Pi Pico? Oh, Banana Hacks has entered like every single week, and he's still not won.
Next week is going to be his winning week.
1 week will be his winning week.
If he never wins, we
Choose
just got to
for
give
you.
him one for
Choose-
anticipation.
Well,
Should we do a surprise?
it'll be a mystery.
We'll do a
Okay.
mystery. We'll do a mystery so that when you
right.
open your package, it'll be a mystery. Okay.
Not a holiday.
Where are
you
you
going-
moving? Are you moving there or
It'll
going
be-
on
It's
it'll
business?
personal.
it'll
It's
be-
personal information, Ziva.
Or it might
Oh,
be an
yeah.
event thing, I don't know.
Maybe.
Anyway, I
Sorry
need to get my email open.
Whilst Caleb does that,
James, can you go to our contact form and give us your details so we can contact you with a code to put in the chat here?
Mister.
Then we can.
Is
Obviously,
that the
that's to
mystery
check that it's
machine?
your email and you're the one that's done the contact form.
Yeah.
But we don't think any of our followers here are unhonest.
Yeah.
It's just for
Just
security.
Hope your
case.
work thing goes well.
So just
Oh, hope your work thing goes well.
That's what I just
Yeah.
said.
sorry.
Right, whilst Caleb does that, we'll say our highlights of the week because
Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
So I'll wait for that to come in. And
Family up.
then if you tell us when it's done, that'll help as well. I thought
Do
I was
you kn-
sharing screen there.
Do you want to give him a link to follow or to the contact form?
I think you'll find his way.
if you don't, we'll give you a link.
Next week, everyone should just call themselves Albert.
I'll show everyone
It's the
Albert.
lucky name, guys. Albert, he just seems to be
You're
winning
welcome.
every time.
Thank you for joining us.
I should, when I'm
Right.
writing my exams, I should just rename myself Albert. Maybe I'll have a bit more luck. Okay, so do you want to do highlights of the week?
Yeah, what's yours?
You do yours first. Do you have a highlight?
Maybe.
Need to get my clarification.
When the private business thing landed on the moon and their things fell over.
Oh. Oh, the moon. 'cause
It
the
was
moon
me,
landing-
guys. I was the one who went up there and pushed them over.
Is that the moon, like
Oh,
the
oh, right.
moon landing?
Yeah,
Um,
I also
right.
liked my
Go
Chinese-
head over
Oh,
to
yeah.
googleapps.com.
I was gonna
I
say,
might put a link in,
Caleb will
Shall I just
copy
put
and
a link
paste a link in for you.
but then we might get.
I
loads of
also liked
submissions.
my
So
Chinese.
just go to
Do
googleapps.com
this.
and then press the little burger menu. Actually, I'll show you. Watch this.
Can you not just give him a link to follow?
I'll just. Oh, I'm on the wrong
Come
thing.
on, come. Oh,
There we go. Right.
sorry, boy George.
So we go. Boom. Then we go
I got called
contact.
boy George today.
Sorry.
Because my hair
And
was
then-
weird.
You go here.
How'd you get to there?
Burger menu, then contact.
In contact.
We've just put Google. Cool.
Oh,
Thanks.
perfect.
I'll just.
So
Okay.
Ziva, do you want to talk about
I
your little
also-
highlight?
I'm
I
back on
also-
penetrator, guys. Sorry.
I also liked I had like 2 periods at school, but year 7s on Fridays go for early lunch because we always have to go last. 'Cause stupid year 11s. So we would go early for lunch. So we had 1.5 hours of like Chinese New Year education and stuff and like shows. And at the beginning there was like these 2 line dancers who were in a dragon. They were so good, and they were like standing on 3 chairs trying to eat the students. It was very funny. It's kind of scary because it was kind of scary. And then there was really nice, pretty dancers, and they wore like these really nice flowy dresses.
The traditional like outfits.
Yeah, and then there was people who played the traditional, the most played in China, the most played instrument, which is like, it's like a guitar type thing, but it's like a piano format. I can't remember the name. And you like you pluck the strings and there's like 24 strings or something. Yeah.
A what? A harp?
No, there's not. It's like, it's set up like a keyboard,
Yeah.
but it's like got 24 strings.
Sounds fun.
I was in Chinatown in London on Tuesday and it was all decorated, very pretty. Ah.
That's nice.
That's so cute. Actually,
was-
have we been to
and then-
Chinatown before? Because I don't know.
No, because we went to like Hamleys when we went to London. That's all I remember, and I got a little bell
Hamleys?
doll.
Oh, I got matching doll. We went to see our friends and we got the matching dolls.
I don't remember. I just remember.
Wow, I didn't get any of that sort of thing when I was at school. Yeah, I don't remember even having that assembly. I remember going to some little evening where it was like some Chinese evening, but that's because I took Mandarin. So
We don't do Mandarin in US
I'm just
7.
waiting
do you
for the
not?
thing.
We're
I
only
can
allowed-
count in Mandarin.
Count.
Yi, er, san.
Oh,
Su.
I know. Wait, I know 7 because my lottery ticket was 177.
What's 177 in Chinese?
T or something.
107.
T7.
177. I don't know what 100 is.
Oh no, I just saying the like 177.
Oh, yeah.
ETT. Is that
I
right?
also went to Lego store in Leicester Square.
We went to Lego store, didn't we?
I'm still good.
I
with
love the
toy
Lego store. But I wanted to go to the Lindor store because I love Lindors, but I wasn't allowed to. I was really angry. I love Lindors. Wait, I
Right.
know what 177 is.
What?
I know what the digits are. One is yi, one
That's
is
what it said.
yi, and then yi, er,
7.
san, se, wo, liu, chi. Chi.
Gee, that's it. I didn't win. When
Wait,
you won,
ER
you got
sounds-
like a massive bar
Ah,
of chocolate
chi, yeah.
and like you could choose either a Chinese game, a traditional Chinese game, a mug with Chinese New Year on, and something else. And you also got a big chocolate bar, and I didn't win. And my
Oh.
friend sat behind me, and we did this massive Quizlet thing, and we were all shouting the answers at her, and she won.
Oh,
She gave me some chocolate.
that's a lovely little highlight of the
know.
week. Any other highlights of the week?
Have you guys got any?
Have you guys got any?
Yeah.
My week's not been very interesting. I mean,
You got.
I got my trousers fixed because I've got a pair. The amount of people I've told to this week, because I have nothing really interesting going on in my life right now. So the most
Got a race
exciting
tomorrow.
thing. Yes, Eva's got a race tomorrow.
So
She's got a
do I.
cross country. But I've told so many people this story. The clock must be.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
We finished the clock.
yeah.
Our father had to help because it got so complex. We had to call him up. So we got to give some credit to you.
But
watching.
yeah. The clock. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm just waiting for this.
Oh right, okay. Oh yeah, the zip. It's a really dead story. It's not very interesting, but okay. I've got a pair of trousers. I needed to get the zip fixed. Oh my god, if Mum's watching this, this never happened. If my parents are watching this never happened. Yes, I should be skilled enough to, In
your day and age, you used to. Not day and
I should
age.
be.
Not
I
saying
should
you're
be.
old.
I should be skilled enough to replace a zip on my. I think Caleb's just trying to sort out the thing on my trousers. But anyways, I'm not. So I went to go get it fixed. I went to a tailor's to get it fixed. And I go in, and these are two guys that are just silent as I walk in, and I get so scared because I'm so bad at this sort of social interaction.
So gullible too.
Okay, yeah. Anyways, I go in and I'm like, "Do you replace zips?" And they were like, "Yeah." And then, well, I didn't really understand what they were saying, but they said, yeah. And I said, "Oh, how much?" And they said like £17 or something. I thought they said 70. I thought that's not right. And they said £17, which
Still not right.
it's not what I read on the website. I did not read that on the website. And then I was like, "Oh, it's all right. I can come back. It's fine. I can come back another time." And then he saw the trousers in my bag and he said, "Are those the trousers? Let's have a look at them." So I couldn't escape and I was like, "Oh yeah, they are the trousers." And I was so flustered. Anyways, I said, "I can't." He said, "What's the problem?" I said, "I don't have £17 because I only had £13 on my bank account." And then he said, "Well, how much do you have?" And I know the scam because they say, "How much money do you have?" And you say how much money you have and they'll probably do one lower. And then I said 13 and he said £12. And I was like, that's like definitely been scammed. But I was just like, yeah, whatever, just take my trousers. I was like, thank you so much. Yeah, you can fix them. And then I just tried to leave the store and just give them my trousers. And they were like, wait. You need your receipt on all of that because I'd not even paid. I just was just going to leave my trousers there. I was so flustered. Anyways, on the receipt, it says £10. So got them for £10. I'm going to pick them up on Wednesday.
Mum.
Yeah. If Mum and Dad see that, I fixed it myself because I'm that
She just
amazing.
gifted £10 to some men because she's so nice.
To fix my trousers, Eva. Okay, replace a zip. Anyways, that's not very exciting. Sorry, guys. A bit boring.
Was that a highlight?
Yeah, that was my highlight of the week.
Didn't you
Yeah.
get that assembly?
I bought a meal deal with that extra £3.
Emily, didn't you get assembly?
I did have an
That
assembly.
told you were dumb, basically.
Yeah.
You're always going to be
We
dumb.
had this motivational speaker, and Caleb told me.
Thank you for Andy. I've got it now. Thanks. I am just gonna eat. Thanks. You've given us everything, I think. But I am just gonna email you a code to put in
Didn't James
the.
Carter win?
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, James.
I was going to say, I was like...
So I was looking at the screen, and Andy was the last person that chatted.
Okay,
So I
no,
read
you
out
don't
the
need to
name.
explain your
Sorry.
errors.
Okay, just say about the assembly.
No,
so
no.
James. Yeah, James. I'm gonna send you something. Give me a second. So I'm doing it at the same time.
The American emotion. Yes! Thanks, Albert. Yes! Oh, Caleb, me and Caleb had the motivational speaker, and they were all taking the mick of me at home because apparently if I was born dumb, then I'm going to be dumb for the rest of my life.
I'm just sending you a code, by the way. Give me one. Oh, you can hear the ducks in the background. I didn't realise.
Yeah, we're not, like, on a river right now. There's like you know those portable houses? Like that go on cars.
I sent you
It's
something
like
to
a
say in the
house
chat.
on a car. But it's like one square.
Where's this coming from?
I
James,
saw
James,
it.
I've sent you
on
an
holiday
email,
once.
so just type that code in the chat here, and then we know it's you.
Yep.
And we're sorted.
Sorry,
Then we're
guys, we've gone
sorted.
1.5 hours.
Holy crap-a-moly. Anyways, sorry, this has gone very over time, guys. What was I talking
Thank you
about? Oh
for
yeah, Caleb,
staying.
do you want to talk about your highlight of the week? We're just talking about the motivational speaker.
Oh yeah, sleep loads. You're as stupid as your parents,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
If you're born stupid, you're always going to be stupid, apparently.
yeah, just accept it. That's what I got told.
So
And
guys,
don't vape.
yeah. So that's that, guys. That's our
I
message
didn't-
for this week. If
I-
you're stupid, then I'm sorry, but I don't know what else to tell you.
Okay, thanks. I just saw that. Okay,
Rainbow Duck is at the
correct
code.
code. Yeah. Anybody could have guessed that, but
Yeah, is that everything then?
yeah. One time I should just put a massive code in, just like loads of letters and numbers. Anyway, we'll wrap up there then.
Cool beans.
We'll get,
Thank you for joining.
I think you gave us
chaotic.
everything anyway, but I'll get in contact with you after the live stream as well.
Yes.
You've given us everything.
Well done, and
but-
thanks for joining and tuning in. Anything else?
So, I think we'll just say bye here.
Yeah, cool. Well, thanks for joining, guys.
Thank
Sorry we've gone a
you.
bit over time.
I look
Bit
forward to buying as
chaotic.
well. Thank you.
Oh.
We look forward
Next
to doing
time,
it.
hopefully we'll be doing it next week if we can. We might be busy, but we'll let you guys know. Thanks for joining because I know this is a bit shambolic at the moment, but hopefully
We
in the
are trying to
future
get some structure.
things will be a bit smoother, a little bit
yeah.
slicker.
Yeah, I was going to say something, but it'll take too long. So we'll
Oh,
just...
cool. Well, anyways, ciao. Have a lovely
Why
evening.
did you turn Spanish?
I don't know. Have a lovely evening. Thanks for joining, and I hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
So